Welcome back to the Weather Centre, everyone. A cold front has helped to bring cooler conditions to the central interior of the country for today, including the Free State and the northwest. And the same system has also brought a few more showers to some areas along the south coast. While up in the far northern parts of the country, temperatures remain very high. Limpopo expecting temperatures in the mid-30s for this afternoon. Satellite imagery shows the front that swept over the Cape provinces overnight. Showers have moved quite far inland, but those have already started dissipating over the Karoo areas of the Cape provinces. While along the coastal areas, a couple of showers still in place for the rest of today. And that's shown on our synoptic analysis. There we can see a few drops of rain over those far southern parts, only clearing out really by tonight. While over the interior of the country, it's going to be a clear afternoon with some hot weather over Limpopo. For the east coast, things change as the fronts move away. Moisture pushes in behind them. Some cloud cover for KZN, pushing northwards towards parts of the Mpumalanga escarpment for tonight, where there's also a possibility for a bit of drizzle in the very late evening hours. Our rainfall probability map shows isolated showers extending from around Cape Town through to George and Port Elizabeth. East London, you could also have a small chance for a few showers later on today, and light rain expected for KZN's eastern parts, including over the escarpment areas, and those start pushing northwards towards Swaziland and Mpumalanga, but that will only take place later on tonight. There is a warning in place for today. That's for a high fire danger once again over parts of the Highveld. In particular for the northern Free State, it's an especially windy afternoon for that area that could certainly lead to runaway fires developing, and that's also reflected on our wind forecast for today. Bethlehem, a westerly wind at 40 kilometers per hour, southwesterly flow dominating from our coastline along the Atlantic seaboard all the way through towards Johannesburg as well as Mahikeng. Now let's take a look at the temperatures, and we see the effects of that southwesterly flow keeping things cool all across the western, southern and central parts of the country. Bloemfontein 21 degrees is your high, Vredendal at 20, similar for Bethlehem. Johannesburg slightly cooler than yesterday but still quite pleasant with a high of 26 for today. Let's look ahead for Port Elizabeth, and over the next couple of days it will be mostly dry, although on Thursday there could be a few showers, and it will also be windy with a high of 19 degrees. But so far, as we take a look ahead to the weekend, we see some very pleasant weather in the forecast, light winds and temperatures in the lower 20s with lots of sunshine. Wednesday brings sunny and dry weather to most of South Africa. Temperatures recovering over the western parts, with Uppington climbing to 34 degrees. And on Thursday, the next front moves in over the western parts of South Africa with a drop in temperature and more rain expected for the Western Cape.